And I left the arms, the uppers, the exact length as when I started. So then when I put it back together, sure enough, it was dead nuts side to side. And then I noticed, man, this I had a lot of movement in my lowers. I had the bolts or the where the bolt goes through the rear end and then into
Hmm.
the lower control arm. I had oblonged the aluminum sleeve that's inside the mount or the lower control arm. So down to Team Z I went and had to put new lower control arms in it. And if anybody has a
Hmm.
Mustang with, and if you're thinking, man, I wonder if I should just cheap out and get these single adjustable lower control arms because they're like cheap, don't. Um, the double adjustable life is the life for me from now on. Just the
Right.
ease. There's nothing worse than trying to adjust because you use the uppers to do your side to side, and
Yeah.
the lowers is your front to back to center it in the wheel
Okay.
housing. In order to do that with single adjustable lowers, you have to remove the coil spring, lower the whole side of the rear end down, undo the Heim, in or out, and then put it all back together only to find out that you adjusted it too far and have to take it all back apart again. So after the second or third time of doing that, I did, Team Z help me out with some lower control arms, some double adjustables,
Yeah.
got them things installed and recentered everything. And thankfully, she tracks about as true as ever after using the jack stand and string alignment method that's all tried and true for all of us. It was an ordeal.